Hey everybody, this is Doug with Artfully Rogue. Let's talk passive income. Depending on the definition that you're looking at, it could mean a couple different things. According to Wikipedia, passive income is income that requires no effort to earn and maintain. I don't necessarily agree with that because you do have to make some effort in the beginning in order for it to become passive. If you look at Investopedia, passive earnings are earnings derived from rental properties or other enterprise in which a person is not actively involved. But how does that all translate if you're a maker? Now, my definition of passive income is income earned with a minimal amount of effort. Now, I'm going to give you my top 3 methods of passive income and that I currently use. Number 1 being making these videos. It's why I made this video. Okay, I have to admit, I've been slacking up on my videos. Today is April 28th, 2021, and the last video that I published was probably a couple of months ago. Now, on average, I make between $300 and $400 a month just in the ads that are placed on my YouTube videos. That's deposited into my bank account every single month. I don't have to do anything other than publish videos. Well, I went on there today to check out what's going on, and I noticed that my ads have dropped. It's down to about $280 a month. So that means my passive income, while it doesn't take much effort, does take some effort. I need to keep these videos going so that people watch the videos, so ads can be played, so that income can be deposited into my bank. $300 to $400 a month to some is quite a bit. And when I first started, it was a lot to me as well. Now, it's something I don't necessarily have to think about. YouTube videos are a great source of passive income. Okay, passive income method number 2, affiliate programs. Now, it helps to have a YouTube channel because I can put affiliate links in the description of my videos. Affiliate links can also be used in blogs. They can also be used on Facebook and any other social media platform that you may be on. Amazon affiliates is the one that I use. So when I actually do a project, I'll go through Amazon and find the things that I could purchase on Amazon, create the affiliate link, and put that link into my description. If someone clicks on that link, whatever they buy while they're at Amazon, I get a small percentage. Now, on a monthly basis, right now it's kind of small. Anywhere between $100 to $200 a month is what I get from Amazon affiliates, so that helps out as well. Method number 3 for passive income is ebooks. Now, this is probably the most profitable for me. Basically, take information that you have, write it down, and put it into a digital platform. I can sell these on my website or in my Etsy store or wherever I like. For me, the easiest way to create an ebook was taking a product that I already make and telling people how to make it. So someone can come to my website and they can actually buy the water feature. Or if they feel like they want to make their own, they can buy the ebook that tells them how to buy their own. Or if they just want the small rain curtain component that they can add to their pools or gazebos, they can buy that ebook as well. Now, on average per month, I probably make about $400 to $500 just on those ebooks. Now, that is a real simple way of doing things. You write it once, you digitize it, and it sells while you sleep at night. So those are my top 3 methods: YouTube ads, affiliate programs, and ebooks. If you're a maker, you need to get into one or all 3 of these passive income sources so that you can supplement whatever it is you make. And obviously, one of the things that really helps, the larger your following, the more of an audience you have to actually sell to. Now, I have a Patreon account. I think I might bring in maybe $100 a month on that. It's not real big, but the people that are part of that are really dedicated to helping me do what I do. And that is greatly appreciated. So I know this was kind of a quick video and it's a bit of a double-edged sword for me. One, I needed to put out a video so I can keep my clicks up. The other side was that I wanted to share that information, so if you're out there trying to start your own business or you're looking for ways to make a little extra money, look into passive income. It really does help, and it'll add up. I mean, if you count up what I make in passive income, it gets close to $1,000 a month. That's nothing to sneeze at, really. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. It's greatly appreciated. If you would like, go ahead and leave a comment down below. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so now. If you'd like to support me and my shop here, check out my Patreon channel and keep your eye out because I do have project videos on the way. I'm waiting to close some of the loopholes on the videos and I can give you like a finished video. But hey, I'll see you in the next video. Now, my definition of income, water,